See that drone? He just went in there.
Move your camera slowly. Move it slowly so you
See all those bees? They glue it pretty good, don't they? Look, see them? They're getting mad. Look down in there. See all those bees? See, now look how mad they're getting at me. There's no way they're going to be able to get me because I have my bee suit on. They glued these things in there pretty good. They're pretty good at gluing stuff. Oh, they've started making some good honeycomb in there. Yeah, I know. I'm going to have to set the camera down for a minute to get this frame, a hold of it. Look at them. They're getting me. Okay, so I got a frame right here. There's not very many V's on it, but I still got a frame. So, let's go. Set that right there. Then I'll get one of these more inhabited ones. So here you go, guys. Here's a lot of bees right here. Oh, there's the queen right there. I see her. I don't know if you guys can see, but so they're getting pretty mad. So I'm gonna go leave them alone and put it back because they're gonna try to start stinging me. But that was pretty cool. Let me know if you liked the video. And just tell me if you did. Because they're getting pretty mad. As you can see, look at them getting really mad at me. So I'm going to put this back, leave them alone for a little bit, and then I'll tell you. I'll post a video later. Look, they're already starting to calm down. They're not caring anymore because they know